Good morning students. I hope that you all are studying at home. In the previous video, I completed my chapter and I also gave you one worksheet which you all were supposed to solve. I hope that till today you all have solved that worksheet, but still I will discuss the answers of that worksheet with you all in this particular video, such that if you are having any doubt, it becomes very clear to you all. So starting with the first question of this worksheet, that is give one word answer. Number 1, a polite term used for the blind people. It is visually challenged people. I told you that we have to treat the differently abled people with courtesy. We can't call them blind or something which is very disrespectful. So we have to be very sensitive towards them and we have to be polite towards them. That is why we are using the term that is visually challenged people. Then coming to a second point, that is the language used by the people who can't see, that is Braille. I told you that Braille is a writing system with raised dots that was discovered by Louis Braille in the year 1824. Okay, it is a language that is used by the people who can't see. Then question number 3, that is an inclined plane alongside the stairs used by people in wheelchairs. So that inclined plane is ramp. So you might have seen ramps in many public places like hospitals, buildings and many other places, which makes the movement of the wheelchair users very easy. Getting it? Such that they don't face any hardship in moving from one place to another. That is why these ramps are made available for them. Then the fourth one, that is the inventor of sign language. So the inventors of sign language were Thomas Hopkins Gallaudet and Laurent Clerc. They are the inventors of sign language. Then a stick used by the blind people, that is white cane. Okay, so what is white cane? It is a stick that is used by the visually challenged people, which helps them in tracing the obstacles in their path while they are walking. Okay, then coming to a second question, that is match the following terms, that is deaf. Deaf will match with hearing aid because hearing aid is a small hearing device that is used by the people who can't hear. Then coming to the second question, that is raised dots. So Braille is a language with raised dots and it is used by the visually challenged people as I discussed with you all earlier. Then can't walk, it will match with wheelchair. Okay, so people, those who are not able to walk, they use wheelchair, which makes their movement very easy. Then the third question is define the following terms. So the first definition for which I asked was Braille. So what is Braille? It is a writing system with raised dots invented by Louis Braille in the year 1824 that is used by the visually challenged people. The visually challenged people move their fingers on these raised dots, which enables them to read a particular thing. Okay. Then coming to the second definition, that is hearing aid. It is a small hearing device that is used by the people who are not able to hear. They wear it inside their ears. Okay. Then the fourth question was give reasons. That is, we need to be sensitive towards the differently abled people. It is all because they are people blessed with unique capacities and that we should not consider them that they are weak and that they are not human beings. So that is why we should be sensitive towards them. They face many hardships even in performing their simple day-to-day activities. So we should treat them with courtesy. Getting it? And we should try to encourage and motivate them instead of showing them pity. Getting it? So always try to be very polite towards them. So coming to the last question of this worksheet, that is differentiate between the following terms, that is Braille and sign language. So Braille, it was discovered by Louis Braille, and sign language, it was invented by Thomas Hopkins Gallaudet and Laurent Clark. In Braille, there are raised dots, whereas sign language, in this we use hand gestures. Getting it? Braille, it is used by the visually challenged people, whereas sign language, it is used by the people who can't speak or who can't hear. That is the speech challenged as well as the hearing challenged people. So that's all in this video. I hope that this particular worksheet is very clear to you all and that you all are not having any doubt at all. So till then, revise the chapter once again thoroughly. Go through all the topics that I have shared with you in the videos of this chapter and learn the definitions and the question answers which I gave you in the notes. Write them somewhere. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home only. Getting it? Thank you.